My people, let me show you how to start a faceless fashion show with free AI tools just like this one. Anyway, I believe you know I am also AI generated. Auntie Debbie at my Legacy Studios will show you how she did it.
Since you like the video you just watched, my job here is to show you how I use AI to create this faceless fashion show without paying anything. All the AI tools I use in this particular video is free. Everything is completely free, and I'm going to show you how to do that step by step using your phone alone. So now let's get right into the video. I'm going to show you how to generate your script, how to generate your outfit with AI, and also how to put the outfit on your image, and also how to animate your images all for free. So the first thing you need to do is to generate your prompt, and we are going to use ChatGPT to do that. So go to your Play Store and install ChatGPT and open to ChatGPT like this. So on ChatGPT, come to the box here where we have ask ChatGPT anything and enter this prompt. So this is a prompt I'm going to enter into ChatGPT. I want to create a runway fashion video. Give me a clear, organized list of different outfit styles that I can feature. For each outfit style, provide the name of the style, a short description, key clothing pieces. Make the list varied and visually appealing. Avoid repeating the same style of style. So I'm going to hit on the command button to generate the outfit style. Okay, and the list goes on. So you can see ChatGPT has given me 10 different outfit styles. I just love the variation ChatGPT has provided. Now the next thing we need to do is to generate our images, and we will need a prompt. So I'm going to enter this prompt to ChatGPT. So this is a prompt. I want to generate high quality realistic outfit images using Nano Banana. Give me prompt to create each outfit style on a white mannequin. No face or background distraction. And you can see the details goes on. I'm going to hit on the command button to generate the prompt to generate my outfit. So you can see ChatGPT has given me 10 different prompts that I'm going to use for this particular video. So now the next thing you are going to do is to generate our outfit using Nano Banana. And I've made a video on how to access Nano Banana. So go to your browser and type Google AI Studio and add Nano Banana to it. Now choose the option that comes with Google AI Studio. So this is the option I'm going to choose, the second one. And then tap on Try Nano Banana. So we're going to type on Try Nano Banana like this. This is where we are going to generate our images. So we are going to clear the prompt here and enter the first prompt ChatGPT provided. Let's go to ChatGPT and copy this prompt. Delete the auto prompt here and paste the prompt ChatGPT gave you to generate your images. And hit on the command button or generate button. So you follow the same steps to generate all the images of the dresses ChatGPT provided for you. Then when you are done, tap on the dress like this. Click on the download button at the top and download this to your computer. So now I'm going to show you another free way to get your images for free if you don't want to generate the dresses with AI. Go to ChatGPT and enter this prompt in ChatGPT. Give me names of free websites that I can get PNG dresses on Mannequin for free. Now you can see ChatGPT has provided 4 websites for me. We are going to start with the first one. Let's give it a try. Click on the first one. That's vexy.com. So tap on it and open from ChatGPT. Okay. On this website, we have free images and pro images that you can download. So the pro images, you cannot download it unless you pay for it. But for the free ones, you can download them and use them. So scroll through and you're going to see dresses for free. Now those ones that you have the free written on it, meaning that you can download them and use. But those ones that you don't have any free, like this one, they are not free. They are pro dresses with watermark that you cannot use. Let me tap on it for you to see. You can see the written pro on it, meaning you cannot use this type of dresses unless you have subscribed to the platform. Now, when you scroll down, you're going to see dresses that are free that you can use. So, for example, this one is free. Tap on it and click on the download button to download it to your phone or your device. Okay. The same thing you will do for the rest of the styles that you want. So let's add this one, this dress, and tap on the download button like this and download it to your phone. So you follow the same procedure to download all the dresses that you want to use for your fashion show. But I always prefer you also use AI to generate most of them, okay? Because definitely it will be limited on this website. Now, the next we are going to do is to apply these dresses that we have generated on our image or our photo. You can either use your own photo or use another AI image that you have generated. We are going to use Nano Banana to do that. But before we go to Nano Banana, we need to get a prompt to use. So let's go back to ChatGPT. So now this is a prompt I gave ChatGPT. I want to use Nano Banana to put the outfit from image 1 on the person in image 2. Write a simple Nano Banana prompt for me. Make sure the face stays exactly the same. Do not change the skin tone. Change the hair to long black braided hair. Make the background look like a runway fashion show. Keep the prompt short and easy to understand. Okay, so now you can see ChatGPT has provided a prompt for me. All I have to do is to copy my prompt like this and go to Nano Banana. So now let's go back to Nano Banana like this. So on Nano Banana, you're going to enter your prompt here like this. So enter your prompt and then click on the plus sign. Now our first image that we are going to import is the dress that we generated or we downloaded. So click on the upload file and choose the dress. That's the first thing that we want to import to Nano Banana. So click on photos and videos and then look for the dress that you want to apply on the photo. So let's go with this dress and then click on the plus sign here again and import the second image, that is your photo, either your photo or another image that you have generated. So click on upload file and click on photos and videos. So we are going to look for our own photo. So I'm going to use this image of mine for this demonstration. Now wait for it to finish uploading before you hit on the run button. Now it has finished uploading. So the dress is image 1 and my photo is image 2. Now hit on the generate button like this and wait for Nano Banana to apply the dress on the photo. Okay, whenever you want to use your picture in Nano Banana, make sure that the picture has enough light and is very clear so that you can be able to capture all the features on that photo in order to get consistent image. Wow, so our image has been generated. This is it. Let me quickly zoom it for you to see. So all you have to do is to click on the download button to download the image to your device. Now I follow the same steps to apply the rest of the dresses on all the images or all the photos for the video. So this is another one that I generated. Click on the download button to download that. Then this another one. So let's see, this another one I generated. So you click on the download button like this to download it to your device. This is another one. I love this dress. Okay, so click on the download button to download that to your device. So now that we have all our images downloaded to our phone or our device, the next thing you're going to do is to remove the watermark that we have on all the images. So you can see there's a tiny watermark down here. We are going to do away with it with a simple AI tool. So go to your Play Store like this and look for this app, Snapseed. Just tap on it and install it on your phone. Okay, now this is how the icon will look like on your phone. Tap on it like this. Now click the middle here and import the image that you want to remove the watermark from. So let's start with this image. Let's start with this one and click on tools in the middle here. Now click on this feature, healing. Tap on it like this. Then gently tap on the watermark that you want to remove from the image, because this feature can remove any object from the image. So assuming I tap here like this, you see that the face will be taken off from the picture, and that's not what we want. So we are going to click on the undo button down here to undo that changes. So we are going to gently tap on the watermark like this to remove it. When you're done, click on the correct sign here and click on the export button and click on the save button to save the video on your phone. Now to go back to import the second image, click on the open button again and look for the next image. Just tap on it, click on tools again and click on healing. Then tap on the watermark and click on the correct sign down here. Click on the export button and click on the save button to save the image to your phone. You follow the same step to remove all the watermark from your images. So now that we have all our watermark removed from our images, the next thing you are going to do is to bring our images to life using another AI tool. So go to your Play Store and install Grok AI. That is the name on the screen. If you don't know Grok AI, that is the name written boldly on the screen. Just copy the name and go to your Play Store and install Grok AI on your phone. Now what you are going to do is to get a prompt from ChatGPT to use in Grok. So let's go back to ChatGPT. I want to create a runway animation of a fashion model wearing different outfits. Make a prompt for Grok to generate this animation. Hit on the download and then hit on the generate button. And let's wait for ChatGPT to generate the prompt for us. So now this is what ChatGPT has generated. All we have to do is to copy it like this and then go to Grok AI. So let's go to Grok AI and then click on create videos like this. Select the image that you want to animate first. So we're going to tap on this image and enter the customized prompt ChatGPT provided for us. So come to the box down here and tap on it. Enter the prompt here. What I want to do is to add my own creativity to it. So write the names of each outfit on the screen. So now I'm going to hit on the command button. So let's wait for it to generate for us. So you see how beautiful this is. All you have to do is to click on the download button here and download this to your phone. Okay, now these are some animations that I generated. Let me take you through some of the animations that I generated using the same method. So let's look at this one. Okay, now let's look at the next one. Whoa. Great. So now let's go back. Let's see if we have another one. Okay, so now you have to download everything to your phone. Okay, and download this one. So now you download everything to your phone. So now that we have all our outfit generated or all animation generated, the next thing you're going to do is to put all the clips together using an editing app of our choice. You can use CapCut, Filmora, or any editing app that you want to use. So we are going to use Filmora to do that. So open to Filmora or Wondershare. Open like this. Click on new project like this. Select all the animations that you have generated. So we're going to start with this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7 like this. And click on the import button and import everything to Wondershare. Okay. So what you're going to do is to just play it. If there's anything that you need to add or subtract, then you just subtract or you add to it. So let's do this. So now that we have everything arranged on our timeline and there's nothing else to do, the next thing you need to do is to hit on the export button to export the video to your device, upload it on YouTube or any other social media platform, monetize it and start making money with it. You see how cool this is? Now, when exporting, make sure you use the highest resolution available so that your video can be watched on either TV or on phone. Normally, if you export the video in lower resolution, when somebody open the video on a larger screen, the visuals become distorted. So make sure you export it in the highest resolution available. 3K or 4K, it can be watched on a larger screen. Now hit on the export button and export the video. So what do you think about starting a faceless fashion show? Is it something that you want to give a try?
Don't forget to subscribe to My Legacy Studios for more AI videos like this. Share your thoughts about this video in the comments and also learn how to start a faceless cooking show in this video right now.